how to plant the seed of loving kindness and grow that seed, and it will help us to live a happy life, because in this day we need loving kindness, and in order to have that we have to plant that seed and grow every day. Then we can get the benefit of that tree of loving kindness. That is the second real enemy, that is hatred. And the third real enemy that we have to face and we have to fight with, that we call moha. Moha is a delusion or ignorance. Instead of illusion and ignorance, we have wisdom or knowledge. We can improve our ability according to the Buddha teaching. Everyone have potential and ability to grow or to improve. When we bow to the Buddha statue, we see him as our model, that if we practice, if we train, if we improve ourselves, we can be like the Buddha, because the Buddha is our role model. That is three real enemies that as Buddhists we have to fight, and also we have to get rid of that by being a generous person, being kind and loving person, and also try to improve our knowledge and wisdom. And as we come today, we try to learn from each other, and we try to live among each other by loving kindness and understanding. I think this is very good. Thank you very much.
Namaste. Actually, my name is Harilal Patel, and I represent Hindu Jain community in this area. Belong to Hindu Jain temple. I go to every temple. In our case, there is no belong to one church or like other way. When I say namaste, what that means is namastu, I am going down to your soul. So at that level, we are all equal. There is nobody is higher or nobody is lower than that. But basically, we are not really going down to the individual's physical body, but to the soul the person has it, which I also possess. Okay. There are many things can be said about today. However, I will confine to few things. One of the main principles the Hindus have is called Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We all are one family on this earth. So, and that principle is being practiced almost by everybody, and I'll give you a few examples later on it. And other part is non-violence. This non-violence, when we refer to, is not just only physical, but has the same said about we plant the seed when you think. So it comes from the thought. It's mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. I'm not going to decide everything. But basically, what we think, we are planting a big tree of something at that time. And that can come out verbally or could be physically. So Hinduism believes in total non-violence from thinking. Now there are many prayers we have. Now, as you all probably know, the Hinduism is the mother of all religion. There is no origin of it. You can call 10,000 years, 100,000 years. There is no founder of it, not one person. And at least the Veda, which are our holy books, they have been written before 4,000 years ago, but could be 10,000 years ago, because the way the teaching was given is from the guru, means teacher to the disciple orally. And things were written on banana leaves, on copper leaves, and finally when the paper was invented, this was all transferred on the papers, which is, I'm saying 4,000 years, because that's what the search of the paper comes out from China. And